Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, tag away, tag everything. I think you can see what's behind me. This is a big soft box that I got recently to improve my video quality. From now on, you won't see any bad lighting in my video anymore. Today, we're gonna focus on this ZNT Airfits Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the ZNT warranty card. Actually, I already unboxed this ZNT Airfits Pro because I accidentally deleted the footage. Right now, I'm gonna reshoot it. Rookie mistake, damn it. But never mind, let's go on. So this is the user manual. Read before using. I don't really read manual, but for this kind of product, I always read manual. Let's talk about spec. Bluetooth 5.0, IP rating is IPX5, 500 milliamps of battery for the case, and for the earbud is 50 milliamps. Standby time 160 hours. Talk time at the 75% volume will be 4.5 hours, and 5 hours of playtime at 75% of volume. And charging case charging time is 150 minutes, and for the earbuds will be 90 minutes. For the operation range is 33 feet. Because it's Bluetooth 5.0, you get a better wireless performance and also better range. So this is the case itself. Very striking red accents around. And the case itself is like a smooth rubber finish. It's quite comfortable to hold it. It's a bit big if you want to carry around. Gonna be a little hassle. Recommend you guys to put this in your bag instead of pocket. Compared to the Halo GT1, this case is really big. Okay, so this is the micro USB charging port. There's no USB-C. This is the LED battery indicator. If the blue light flashes once every 2 seconds, 0 to 25%. 25 to 50%, twice every 2 seconds. So for 50 to 75%, flashes 3 times every 2 seconds. And 75 to 100 will be flashes 4 times every 2 seconds. Nothing special at the bottom, just the product name, model number, FCC logo. Yeah, so you push it from the back to take out the earbuds. Okay, left and right. So for you to change your song, skip, play, pause is all done by these 2 buttons. And this is not a touch button, it's a physical button. You have to press it. So take it out. Okay, it's 2 golden connector. Okay, side. See what's inside the box. I'm pretty sure there's more things inside. Yep, okay, more things. Take it out. Wow, wow, look at that. That's a lot of earbuds for you to change. There's different size from really small to big, and this is small. Yeah, it's included with the small one. You can see. Wow, and I would say like a protective case for this one. Yeah, wow, not bad. Yeah, when I unboxed it the first time, I didn't check it out what's inside the box, so this is really a surprise for me. So I guess everyone can wear these wireless earbuds, different size to fit your ears, and USB cable. Yeah, micro USB. Nothing special. Okay. The side. Let's move on to our main character of this video. These 2 earbuds. Very easy to connect to your phone. Just go to your setting. Find Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth, and the name will be ZNT Airfits Pro. You just press once from the right and it will connect immediately. For the left one, you just press and the left earphones will also connect it immediately. It's pretty simple. Fast, no hassle. For the Halo GT1, I experienced some problem with connection issue. But this one, so far I don't experience any connectivity issues. It works perfectly for the connectivity. Yeah, so right now let's wear it and I'll test the sound. So it does not comes with any active noise cancellation, but through the design of this earphones, it comes with like a passive noise cancellation because it's a rubber. When you put it, it's just block out all the noise from outside. Yeah, right now it's raining quite heavily outside. I hardly can hear it right now, so that's a good thing. Okay, let's play some song. XXX88 MO Fit D Blue Joe Hertz Remix. Okay. The bass is a bit weak to my taste. I like really strong bass when I'm listening to like EDM, deep bass, deep house, you know. I'm playing 50% of volume right now. This can be very loud. Yeah, 50% is ngam for me, you know. Ngam is enough. The vocal is very clear. Yeah, clean vocal. There's no distortion when singing. The bass is weak. Yeah, I keep repeating myself. Yeah, such a shame, man. The bass can be stronger. Right now, I'm gonna show you how you skip your song, you play, pause, and everything, all the control. Okay, so you press once, either left or right, the same. Press one, play. Press the second time, pause. And if you want to skip the song, you have to long press. Long press for 2 seconds, it will skip to another song. For the previous one, if you want to skip, you go to the right and you long press for 2 seconds. If you want to go to previous song, go to the left earbuds and long press for 2 seconds. And if you want to activate your voice assistant, click double times or on your right or left. It's the same. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't show up for some reason. This is the bug of this earphone, some issue. Look at here. You see? It show up for a while and then disappear immediately. I can hear the ding ding sound, but okay, I unlock my phone, try again. Same thing. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Apparently you can't activate your voice assistant, in this case Siri. I'm a bit worried when I see physical button control. In my mind, if you get a physical button, when you press, the whole thing will push inside your ear. But for this one, yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't really push the earphones inside your ear when you press. Yeah, you just press, is it? It's very sturdy. When you press, it doesn't move much. In fact, I really enjoy this type of control compared to my old Halo GT1, the touch one. Surprisingly, this one is really good for control. Let's test the microphone, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna record my voice and later you guys will hear it. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Jackie YBT testing the microphone from the ZNT Airfits Pro. And yeah. So as you can hear, the microphone of this wireless earphone is pretty muffled. It's not that loud and it's not that clear, but you still can hear it. When you try harder enough to hear it, you can hear it. When you wear it, it's very comfortable. It fits very well to my ears, and when I do this, you know, I keep shaking. Okay, it doesn't fall. It doesn't fall that easily. It's fit perfectly fine. Yeah. So comfortable wise, this is good. Bass a bit weak. Vocal clear is good. Clean sound. The mid's kind of weak there also, this two part. And connectivity is pretty good. Once you press it, you just connect. Yeah, very fast connectivity. No issue on that. That's about it, guys. This is my unboxing and review of the earphones Airfits Pro. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share it to friends and family, donate if you want. I need financial support for the channel growth. I'll link down my PayPal account at the description below. You guys can click it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.